Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to fix this very common Netflix error. Our very first method is to try a different browser. Press Command plus space at the same time to open up Spotlight Search, and now search for your alternative browser. Since Google Chrome did not work for me earlier, now I will be using Safari. And it looks like Safari works perfectly fine for me. If you would like to keep using the same browser to play Netflix, our second method is to reinstall your current browser. Once again, press Command plus space to open up Spotlight Search, and this time we will search for the Applications folder. Search for Chrome if that is your current browser. You could right-click on the application and move to trash, or simply drag the application into the trash can. Also, make sure the application is closed before removing it. Now, use a different browser to reinstall it. Open up Google Chrome again. And looks like it is working again. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you next time.